The arrival of 150 pairs of endangered Indian skimmers at the banks of Sangam has created a picturesque spectacle ahead of the Mahakumbh festival. These vibrant birds, with their distinctive beaks and striking plumage, are filling the air with their joyful chirping, harmonizing beautifully with the gentle murmuring of the Ganga. This convergence of nature has attracted visitors from across the globe, drawn by the therapeutic qualities of the birds' melodies. Observers are enchanted, not only by the Indian skimmers but also by the anticipation surrounding the arrival of the peregrine falcon, the fastest flying bird on the planet, soaring through the skies at speeds exceeding 300 km per hour, a breathtaking sight that promises to further enrich the atmosphere of this spiritual gathering. The state government of Uttar Pradesh is leveraging this unique opportunity to promote ecotourism in the region, with the Forest Department enthusiastically planning a bird festival to coincide with the Mahakumbh. Alok Kumar Pandey, the IT head of the Forest Department, highlights the surprising influx of migratory birds, including the endangered Indian skimmers and the majestic Siberian cranes. A dedicated wildlife team is working around the clock to monitor the diverse avian population and ensure the well-being of these delicate species as they make Sangam their temporary home. The contribution of Indian skimmers in maintaining the ecosystem is significant. Their presence serves as an indicator of the health of the river's environment, as they play a role in water purification while charming wildlife enthusiasts. Among these captivating birds, the Indian skimmers stand out for their unique breeding behavior and social structure. Nesting along the sandy shores, they lay only 3 eggs, with the males and females collaborating in caring for them. The sight of the female carefully shielding her eggs while the male fetches water adds an enchanting layer to this unfolding natural spectacle. Additionally, the influx of over 90 bird species, including the Schedule 1 Indian skimmer, is testament to the ecological importance of this region. As winter approaches, the arrival of Siberian birds signals a seasonal transition, turning Sangam into a temporary haven for avian travelers from regions as far-flung as Mongolia and Afghanistan. Moreover, the peregrine falcon remains a highly anticipated guest for the Mahakumbh festivities. Known colloquially as the rocket bird for its astonishing flight speed, it is a remarkable predator that captivates birdwatchers and spiritual seekers alike. Observers fondly recall its presence at Sangam in 2022, and its expected return promises to further enhance the area's natural allure. As these migratory birds grace the sands of Sangam, they remind us of the interconnectedness of nature and the importance of conservation efforts. The collective experience of watching these beautiful creatures is not just a celebration of wildlife, it is a transformative encounter that weaves together threads of spirituality, community, and ecological awareness.